Hey y'all, Fozzie here, up at the top of Mount Baker. Taking a look today at Highway 542, or the Mount Baker Highway. Rides all the way up to the top of Mount Baker by the ski resort. It's considered one of the deadliest motorcycle roads in Washington State. Number 5, I believe. Number 4 or 5. Lots of hairpin twists and turns, switchbacks, lots of dents and holes in the road. All kinds of fun stuff. It's an absolutely gorgeous ride. In fact, I just saw a bear. But I would recommend that this is for the more experienced riders. I wouldn't be riding around up here if you were afraid of corners or you didn't know your machine very well or anything like that. This is definitely one for the more experienced riders who know their machines quite well. So that being said, let's check this thing out and see why it's one of the most deadly motorcycle highways in the state. Thanks. Have a great day. Enjoy the video.